In this video, I will show how to make a pie chart in Excel. So firstly guys, you need some example data. As we can see, we have here. Select your data, then insert, and once you click on insert, here is the option for charts, and this is the symbol for pie chart. Click on this drop down and select from here. Adjust the size, color, and you can modify as you need. Once you double click on it, this is the property. You can select any style. Then change color combination from here. Once you click on in filter and hide any term, then apply. So this way you can filter. Also you can filter by name, series and value. The chart style, you can select same any style, and same you can select any color. Here you can change your chart title. You can change the name for this chart. Can make some more data here. You can add. Now to make changes, select it and drag and drop till here and click anywhere. So you can see these changes will appear here in chart. Also you can make chart size. Also you can make chart. Also you can make changes for this chart as a size and as a color. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.